Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a simple dish from the royal kitchens of Madhya Pradesh, which is called the Kalia Shafaq Sheer. For this we're going to use a little more of ghee than usual. So let's add half a cup of ghee. Let's wait for a minute. The ghee is hot. I'm going to add 3 black cardamoms, 10 peppercorns, and once they release their amazing aroma, I'm going to add 1 large onion that has been sliced. Just simply fry the onions till they are golden in color. The onions are golden. I'm going to add 750 grams of mutton. And I'm going to saute the meat for 2 to 3 minutes. The meat has browned well. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, and now we're going to just reduce the flame to a medium and saute this for a minute. Let's add half a liter of water to this. Some salt to taste. Give it a good stir. And now we're just going to cover this and cook till the meat is done. Let's see if the meat has cooked. Yeah, this is done. So now what we're going to do is 4 cups of milk. We're going to add 1/4 cup of almond paste to this. Here I have 2 tablespoons of rice flour. I'm going to make a paste of this and add it to the milk. Let's mix this well. And now we're going to reduce the flame to a low and gently pour this milk. Give it a good stir. Let's add a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. I'm going to mix this and then I'm going to let this boil till the gravy thickens and a thick layer of oil or ghee is floating on the top. You can see the gravy has thickened because of the rice flour and the almond paste. We're going to give a tadka of ghee and cloves. So let's heat a little bit of ghee in a tadka pan. Let's add the cloves. Meanwhile, let's shut the flame for the gravy. The cloves have released their aroma. Now let's pour this on the gravy. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. And the Kalia Shafaq Sheer is ready to be served. You saw what an easy recipe this is. You can serve it with rice. It will just taste amazing. Do try this recipe. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.